What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another throwback video, man. We're getting that much closer to the office space getting inspected, so new content is coming to you guys very soon. So just bear with me. I'm doing throwback videos for right now until I can bring you guys some new content, telling you guys what I've bought, cars for in the past and what I've sold them for. This right here is a 2004 Mercedes-Benz E320. So this was my my fourth and my last E-Class I bought. This one was an E320. The other ones were, if you check out the other videos, they were E350s, two E350s and one E500. So this one was an E320. And as you can see in the video, I'm already showing the bumper because the bumper was like a different color. Maybe the bumper got hit or something happened to the bumper and someone just slapped another bumper on because it was like a matte finish. It wasn't the color of the car, but paid a good price for this car, man, and it only had 121,000 miles. But as you can see, there was some little cosmetic issues, but everything worked. The alarm worked and everything. It had 121,000 miles, which were the best miles I've ever bought on an E-Class. I paid $2,100 for this bad boy, 21 to be exact. So that's $2,121 out the door. That's how much I paid for this vehicle. And I ended up selling it for $2,700, and I sold it because I remember it like it was yesterday. I sold it the next day. So the next day in the morning, like it was only like a couple of hours I had this car because I sold it for 27, and 27 was a pretty good deal, man. So I made $600. I just got off of it real quick. $500. Yeah, no, $600. So yeah, but as you can see, it was a little dirty on the inside. Like I said, little cosmetic issues on this one, but the miles was good, so that's why I let it go for the 27. And plus I sold it the next day so fast. But as you can see in the seats and everything, yeah, but other than that, the car worked. AC worked, heat worked, and everything was good to go on it. All the windows worked and everything, so sunroof, everything worked. Yeah, guys, so that's going to be a wrap for this video here. Can't wait to bring you guys more content. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. You see that 121,000 miles on that bad boy. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Got a lot more content coming for you guys very soon. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you can help your boy out, I would greatly appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.